Your phone can track you indoors even when GPS fails, using signals you never notice. GPS signals weaken dramatically once they pass through solid structures. So your phone switches to indoor positioning systems, a hidden network of signals all around you. GPS works by measuring the travel time of signals from multiple satellites. Wi-Fi routers send timing pulses your phone can measure. This round-trip time measurement can locate you within a meter. Bluetooth beacons help map indoor spaces with short-range signals. Your phone blends all these signals into one position estimate. And it uses internal sensors to track motion. Every movement updates your position. The accelerometer detects tiny shifts in motion. The gyroscope senses rotation. These sensors fill in gaps when signals are weak. This technique is called sensor fusion. All these systems work together. Indoor navigation apps rely on this data. Retail spaces use it to understand movement patterns. Emergency responders also use indoor positioning to find people faster. And it refines that model as you move. All signals blend into one estimate. Indoor tracking is more advanced than most people think. Indoor navigation can even track you across floors. Some apps combine indoor navigation with augmented reality overlays. These systems track movement, not your private messages or photos. Schools can use indoor positioning to guide students to classrooms and resources. On large campuses, indoor maps help you find your way faster. Understanding these signals explains how phones interpret indoor spaces, from hallways and labs to entire campuses. At this stage, your phone is organizing indoor signals into a clear map of the space around you. All the signals and sensors you've learned about combine to form the indoor picture your phone depends on. Your phone builds a floor plan model as you move. All these inputs combine into a single indoor position. Your phone updates your position with every step. As you travel through a building, signal levels shift, creating a map of stronger and weaker zones. All of this happens automatically every time you use your phone indoors. And that's how indoor positioning keeps your apps accurate. If you're ready to keep leveling up, Hip Hop Tutor has more ways to break down the tech shaping your world. Join us in the next part of this series to learn more about how our world really works.
Hey, the beat. Thank you for tuning in to Hip Hop Tutor. From the streets to the tech, you can build the future.